Humanity has always had an obsession with building bigger cities, bigger ships, bigger towers. But for thousands of years, one challenge has remained the ultimate test of ambition: creating giants from stone, steel, and concrete. Across the world, civilizations have spent unimaginable amounts of money, labor, and engineering effort to build statues so massive that they can be seen from miles away. Some are taller than skyscrapers, some weigh hundreds of thousands of tons, and one stands so high above the earth that it completely changed the record books. Today we're counting down the tallest statues on Earth, not including their pedestals, not including their bases, just the height of the statue itself. And by the end, you'll see why the current world record holder isn't just the tallest statue ever built, it's in a league of its own. Welcome to Big Data Vault. When most people think of giant statues, they imagine landmarks like the Statue of Liberty or Christ the Redeemer. But neither of them even comes close to making the top 5. In fact, the tallest statues in the world are concentrated mostly in Asia, where governments and religious organizations have spent decades pushing the limits of architecture. Each new project attempted to surpass the last. Each new monument became a symbol of national pride, faith, or historical legacy. And with every record broken, the race only became more intense. Let's begin. Number 5. Ushiku Daibutsu, Japan. Standing 100 meters tall. That's roughly 330 feet. Located in Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan, Ushiku Daibutsu depicts Amitabha Buddha and was completed in 1993. At the time of its completion, it was the tallest statue in the world. Visitors can actually enter the structure and travel upward through multiple floors hidden inside the statue itself. For years, it represented the pinnacle of statue engineering, but it wouldn't hold the title for long, because another giant was already being planned. Number 4. Statue of Belief, India. Rising 106 meters into the sky, the Statue of Belief is one of India's most impressive modern monuments. Located in Rajasthan, it depicts Lord Shiva. Completed in 2022, the statue immediately became one of the tallest religious monuments ever constructed. What makes it particularly striking isn't just the height, it's the intricate detail. Even at over 100 meters tall, the statue maintains remarkable artistic precision, from its facial features to the trident held in its hand. Yet despite its enormous scale, it still falls short of the next giant on our list. Number 3. Laykyun Sekkya, Myanmar. At 115.8 meters, or roughly 380 feet tall, Laykyun Sekkya dominates the landscape of central Myanmar. Construction took over a decade. The finished monument depicts Gautama Buddha standing peacefully above the surrounding countryside. For many years, this statue represented one of the most ambitious religious construction projects on Earth. Its sheer scale is difficult to comprehend. A person standing at its feet appears almost invisible. But even this giant would eventually be surpassed by an even larger Buddha. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha, China. For years, this was the undisputed king. Standing 128 meters tall, or approximately 420 feet, the Spring Temple Buddha in China held the world record as the tallest statue on Earth. Completed in 2008, it became one of the most recognizable megastructures ever built. The statue was constructed using thousands of copper cast sections assembled into a single, monumental figure. When viewed from the ground, the Buddha seems almost unreal, like a mountain transformed into a human form. For a decade, it appeared that no other statue would come close. The gap between first place and everyone else seemed enormous. But then something happened. India announced a project so ambitious that many people thought it would never be completed. A statue nearly 1.5 times taller than some of the world's previous record holders. A monument designed not merely to break the record, but to shatter it. Number 1. Statue of Unity. India height, 182 meters, 597 feet. And that figure excludes the base, making it the tallest statue on Earth by a massive margin. Located in Gujarat, India, the Statue of Unity depicts Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the leader often called the Iron Man of India. Patel played a critical role in unifying hundreds of princely states after India's independence. The monument was inaugurated in 2018 and instantly rewrote the global rankings. To understand its scale, consider this. The statue alone is taller than many skyscrapers. Its viewing gallery sits at approximately 153 meters above ground. Visitors standing inside can look out across the Narmada River and surrounding landscape from a height that rivals major office towers. The structure required enormous quantities of reinforced concrete, structural steel, and bronze cladding. Engineers had to design it to withstand strong winds, extreme weather conditions, and seismic activity. Even among the world's largest construction projects, the Statue of Unity stands apart. What's perhaps most impressive is the gap between first and second place. The Spring Temple Buddha reaches 128 meters. The Statue of Unity reaches 182. That's a difference of 54 meters. Roughly the height of an entire additional skyscraper placed on top. No statue in history has achieved such a commanding lead over its closest competitor. Before we finish, there's one statue that deserves special recognition: the Motherland Calls in Russia. Standing 85 meters tall, it isn't among the top 5 overall. But unlike many giant monuments that rely heavily on pedestals or supporting structures, nearly the entire height comes from the statue itself. Its dramatic pose and engineering complexity make it one of the most remarkable sculptures ever created. For thousands of years, humanity has carved heroes, gods, and leaders into stone. But today's statues operate on an entirely different scale. They are no longer sculptures, they are megastructures. Engineering projects so large they blur the line between art and architecture. And for now, one giant stands above all others: the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue the world has ever built. But history suggests one thing: records are temporary. Somewhere, someone is already drawing plans for something even bigger. The only question is, how tall will the next giant be?